The great outdoors. Fresh air, getting away from it all. Except my bank. They want me to verify my username and password real quick.
Wait, banks never asked that.
Hold on, I just need to reply immediately or they'll freeze my account.
No, that's a scam. Just call your bank directly. If you text a PIN or password, you might as well be roasting s'mores over a cash fire. $100 bills, really?
I have expensive taste.
Vence a los estafadores. Haz la prueba.